The Denver Nuggets are fighting for their playoff lives with the Portland Trail Blazers right behind them, ready for them to make a mistake. Kyle Korver splash. Getting things started here in the first quarter. Wilson Chandler in the post, kicking it out. Look who's wide open. It's Barton. The man that is having the season of his life, of his career, in transition. Hands it off to Murray, number 27. You know it's money if he's rocking 27. And then Jokic working on Kevin Love. Oh, look at the moves. Look at the footwork, the pivot. LeBron James was a -30 and plus minus in this game. Unbelievable. Harris knocking down the three in transition. The Nuggets are up big. Kyrie trying to get him back in the game. He's going to pop a three of his own in the third quarter. But is it too little, too late? A lot of time is left. Steal by J.R. Smith. Throws the lob up to LeBron James. Even though LeBron's plus minus in this game is -30, you got to give him some shine there with that alley-oop. But this might be the play of the game. Fareed comes off the screen and throws out a poster in between Kevin Love and Tristan Thompson. Whoa, the Nuggets are not playing around. And then Jokic working on LeBron James. Can he get him? Hook shot. He's got it. And that probably should have been an and one, but you know they're not going to call the foul on LeBron James. Harris with the crazy acrobatic layup, and the Nuggets defeat the Cavs. Russell Westbrook became the first player in NBA history to get a triple-double while shooting 100% from the field. He did not miss a single shot or free throw. He had 18 points, 11 rebounds, 14 assists. He shot